Can't just do any kind of launch. There's specific launches based on your specific situation. I'm going to be going into that in the next video. And then super important is the launch stacking. I'm going to cover launch stacking in the next video. And that's this idea of you do this first launch and then the next launch stacks on top of it. And generally your results get better as you move along. Your results get better, you get more influence, you make a bigger impact, your business grows as you go from launch to launch to launch. That's how I went from my very first launch, which did $1,650. And when I did that, I was really happy about it. I was doing backflips over $1,650, trust me. But I went from that first launch of $1,650 and I built on it, I built on it, I built on it. I eventually did a launch that did millions of dollars. So that's all about launch stacking. So that's in the next video. But first, right now, what I would love to do, what I'd love you to do is scroll down, hit that Facebook like button, hit that share button, because everyone loves to get likes. And then really scroll down and leave a comment. That's what I really want you to do. I want to hear from you. How is this going to fit into your life? How is this going to make an impact in your life? I'd love to hear how you're going to use the Sideways Sales Letter within your life to either build a business or build your current business. So I'd love to hear that. I'm going to be reading every single comment personally myself, and I'll be responding to as many as I can. So just scroll down right now and go ahead and leave a comment.